This is a 233-piece titanium jigsaw, and the finished design looks incredible. It's all in this little cylinder here. They give you a roll mat to work on. It comes from Lazel's Puzzles. The pieces are absolutely tiny, as you'd expect. As we tip it out, you can see just how small they are. In fact, it's so small that they give you a pair of tweezers to help you work through it, and it's not an easy puzzle to put together. It's probably about 2 hours north to get this one solved. It's also got these custom shaped pieces, like this little griffin here. And you can see the detail on this one is incredible. These puzzles are only ever sold for 1 hour. You've actually got to sign up to their text alerts. Once they text you, you've got an hour to get your order in, and then the jigsaw is never made again. This one is definitely one of the fanciest jigsaws that I own and have ever put together. The finished design, I think, looks incredible.